Welcome back everyone to a new episode. Today I will give you my opinion on 2023, what we might see and what strategy I'm using to get through this year, or what I think is the best strategy. And I will show you like a little history, what happened last year and the year before. So let's get into it. Let's start with 2021, and I would say in this year there's not much you could have done wrong, because the overall market was just going up, and no matter what coin you would have picked, in the end you would have made a profit. But that drastically changed last year when, let's say, you would have bought Bitcoin at 50k, now you would have been down like 50%, or Ethereum. It doesn't matter, like no matter what coin you would have picked, you would have lost money. The point that I'm trying to make is that every year is different and you cannot use the same strategy over and over again. And I think the same is true for this year. So let's say in 2021 you would have gone long, lot of profit. In last year, if you would have gone short, also it doesn't matter what time, I think you would have made a lot of money. But this year I think it's gonna be different. In my opinion, we will see a lot of sideways action, and even though we had a little rally recently, I don't think it's gonna last very long. We might go back to like under 20,000 for Bitcoin. And the strategy that I'm gonna use is simply dollar cost average the entire year. I started, I think, a couple of months ago, or even more, maybe half a year ago, I started to dollar cost average into the market. And I will do this throughout the year, because I think the current prices are like a great opportunity to dollar cost average in. Even though if it's, let's say, it goes back to 15,000, it doesn't matter, like you can buy Bitcoin cheaper. And maybe next year or in 2 years, like in the long run, we will see another bull market, and that's where you make most of your money. I recently checked my holdings like on the dollar cost average plan, and I was surprised that I'm already in profit. I thought I might be down like 1, 2, 3k, but I'm actually in profit. And you can set up the same thing on Binance. It's very easy. You just like tell them how much money you want to invest, like every week, every month, what coin you want to buy, and then set it on autopilot. I like to set up my plan like this. Now I invest $300 every week. It kind of like takes the emotions out of it, and you're slowly building your crypto position. And I think this year, like I said before, is a great year to dollar cost average in, because right now crypto is kind of like hated. Like, no one really likes to talk about crypto, but I think that's a good sign. It's a good starting point, or let's say a good entry point to start build your position, but with the right mindset, because your gains will not come overnight. I think it will take maybe a year, maybe 2 years, maybe even 3 years. But like in the long run, I think these prices are like, we will not see them like in 1, 2 years. I don't think we will see them again. With that being said, what do you think will happen in 2023? What are your predictions? Let me know in the comments. And in the next video, I want to show you another strategy that I'm using to increase my crypto position. Hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I will see you in the next one.